Hi UPSC aspirants, welcome to Spurti classes. See, every year UPSC is conducting civil services examination. Many serious aspirants are getting good marks in paper 1, that is GS, in prelims exam. But they are not able to clear this prelims exam because of paper 2, that is CSAT. If you think CSAT is easy, then this video can save your attempt also. In this video, I'll explain the real reasons behind CSAT failure and the common mistakes, repetitive mistakes made by serious aspirants every year. Okay? So first of all, I'll tell you one point. For UPSC, everyone is equal. Everyone is equal means they're not doing any favor to math students. It is wrong. Nowadays, many aspirants are talking to me regarding this. They come to me, first point they'll say, I'm basically from arts background. I am from law student. I'm a law student. I'm from medicine background. All these things they'll say. They're worrying about CSAT. Actually, I'll tell you one thing. CSAT is neither easy, not tough, okay? And in 2023, yes, of course, many engineering students failed, not only in 2023, even in 2024, 25, 22, 21 also. At the same time, other educational background students are clearing this CSAT exam, right? You got this? So, this exam is not only just for engineering students, first of all. If you know, see, many are saying IITians also failed in this exam. That is maybe true. See, if you study this paper in right direction with the proper strategy, if you know what actually UPSC is expecting from you in this paper, if you know this, anyone can clear this exam. If you don't know this, your IIT, IIM doesn't matter for them. That is the logic, okay? In this video, I'll explain one reason first. There are 6 to 7 most potential reasons are there. Not these routine reasons like overconfidence, starting CSAT just before the exam, not those reasons. I'll tell you the proper reasons. Please listen carefully. Even with or without coaching, these points are very, very useful for you. Whenever you start CSAT preparation, these points will help you a lot to understand the questioning pattern, understanding UPSC examination pattern. Okay? Chalo. What is the first reason? Way of learning. Way of learning the concepts. This is very, very important. Actually, this is only foundation for your CSAT preparation. Out of all the mistakes, this is the main thing. Okay. What actually UPSC is expecting from you? First point, conceptual clarity. Second one is common sense. These two things is required while solving this paper. First thing is clarity on concepts. What is profit? What is time distance? What about time and work basics? All these things required. Second thing, how to apply common sense in the questions. Okay? See, in this particular video, we are going to talk about only this because I'll explain some questions also. Like previous year questions also, I'll tell you with examples, okay? What is this learning conceptual clarity? What is the meaning of this? You know, this quant and reasoning part is there almost for every exam, not only for this UPSC. Okay? Other side, I'm taking SSC, banking, even CAT related exams. Here in these exams, most of the rankers, I'm not saying all, most of the rankers are basically from maths background. The reason, this paper's pattern definitely, they expect a lot of formulas knowledge from you, and speed calculations. Within 60 minutes, you have to solve all 60 questions. It is like this. Speed calculations required, shortcuts, formulas knowledge is required. That is for these exams. In UPSC, actually, concepts knowledge, already I told you, and common sense is required. And some aspirants are practicing even SSC and CAT questions, previous year questions for CSAT. Actually, they are no use. Same number systems will be there, same profit and loss, same percentages, coding and decoding, calendars, clocks, chapters and syllabus is same. But lot of calculations required in these papers. Okay, you must understand what is the difference between these two first. That is the major point. Okay. Second thing, if you remember formulas, if you go with formulas, this will not work for you. In this UPSC CSAT paper, if you study CSAT, like I'll open one chapter, what are the formulas list, then I'll attempt the questions. This will not work. It will never work. Nowadays, look at the papers 22, 23, 21, even previous papers also. Most of the questions demands only your presence of mind and basic concept behind this. Okay, they never asked you to solve, I mean, even 2 minutes, they don't expect you to solve it within a minute also. Time is not matter there. You take 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes also, that is okay, but accuracy is important and the way you solve, that is important. Okay. I'll tell you one simple concept. Look at this. This question asked in exam. What is the remainder if 97 power 100 is divided by 6? This topic is from reminders. First of all, we will discuss what is reminder. Then after knowing the remainder, okay, try to learn to find the reminders in simple way. No need to remember formulas. Don't go with formulas. Okay. If you remember formulas, what happens within a week, we will forget. First of all, what is the remainder? I'll tell you with simple example. Say 22 is divided by this 20. 20 ones are 20, remainder is 2. So what is left in the end? Normally it is called remainder. Clear? Now, how to solve this question? We'll go to first one after doing this. 22 and 23, product is divided by 20. See, we cannot multiply all the numerators because sometimes they'll give 6 to 7 numbers also, like 22, 23, 24, 25, all these numbers. Or sometimes they'll give big powers in previous example. One more example, 64 power 100 is divided by 7. What is the remainder? So, knowing the numerator value is not possible. That way won't work. Always find out separate reminders. Separate reminders means, let us say 22 divided by 20, what is the remainder? 2. Replace 22 by 2. This is first step. Then 23 by 20. It is 3. What is 2 3s? 6. Now 6 divided by 20. Actually 6 is less than 20. Okay, 6 is not divided by 20. So what is left in the end means it is 6 only. What is the answer? 6. That's all. If numerator is smaller number, okay, that will be your answer. That's all. What is the method? Simple method. Always we will find separate reminders. Okay. Coming to this question, 97 power 100 divided by 6. No need to worry about this power. Okay. What is next step? 97 to the power of 100 means 97 is multiplied by how many times? 100 times. Then divided by 6. What is our method? We'll find out separate reminders. 97 divided by 6, what is the remainder? 16 times. 16 6 are 96, means 1. Okay, again 1. Again 1. 1 is for 100 times. It is 1 only. 1 divided by 6, what is the remainder? 1. Right? It is 1. Next time, we don't try this step also. Directly you can divide 97 by 6, that is 1. 1 power 100 means 1. 1 by 6, answer is 1. If you go with algebra, there are some formulas also, like a power n plus x power n is divided by something a plus x. These formulas are there. Just ignore them. So, I'll be making one separate video for this reminders, because reminders is very important concept in CSAT. Every year they are giving 1 or 2 questions minimum. From the last 10 years they are giving. So, you must read this concept, reminders from number systems. Second point, we are not able to apply the common sense in the exam paper. whatever you learn, any number of concepts, any number of questions. For some questions, apart from your formulas are not required first, apart from your traditional method, sometimes common sense only matters. Common sense only will give you answer. Look at this question asked in 2024. 222 power 333 plus 333 power 322 is divided by which of the following numbers? These are the options given. Okay, by using reminders concept we can check, but okay, it takes a bit of time anyway, 2 minutes, 1.5 minute. Look at these options 2, 3, not 37, 2, 3, 37, these 3 numbers given. How to answer this question? Go with fundamentals. What is the first number? First number is even. What is the second number? Odd number. What is even plus odd number? Odd number. It means whatever the value, this big number is odd number first of all. See, odd number never divided by even number, never divided by 2. That's why, what is the answer? Option B. This number is the given number is odd number, it is not divided by 2. That's all. Okay? Every year, in every paper, at least 6 to 8 questions are there from all the topics, not only from just number systems. Okay? They demand only presence of mind, that is common sense. Okay? That's all. So from this video, what is the first learning point? The way you understand the concepts. After this, the way simple methods, the way you learn simple methods. Don't go with formulas. Formulas will not work. Okay? Then applying common sense is also highly required. Guys, one update is there. We are going to conduct one free workshop. It is 3-day free workshop from 18th December. This is one of the best workshop I am going to take. Like, I will tell you many things. Why, how UPSC CSAT becoming unpredictable, how to handle all the traps prepared by UPSC. So I will tell you many things. Please attend these sessions from 18th December. Okay? Where to join, where to come, that link will be added in video description. You can see. Chalo, thank you so much.